I've been investing $50 every week in the S&P 500 ETF VOO for 1 year, 5 months plus a week. So far, I achieved a 12% return rate by the end of last week. Check out my weekly update in this video. The S&P 500 rose by 0.9% last week, a strong end for November, making it the second best November performance since 1980. No doubt, we just wrapped up another solid week. The highlight of the week centered on Fed Chair Powell's comments dismissing early talks of rate cuts and hinting at potential further rate hikes. However, his mention of inflation moving in a positive direction led the market to perceive his stance as dovish, resulting in a surge in stock market. But short-term optimism hasn't changed our plan. I stuck to our weekly purchase routine and bought $50 of VOO around 12:30 on Thursday. Our total shares now amount to almost 10.1 with a market value of $42.56. As of today, we secured a profit of $4.56, which roughly translates to a 12% rate of return. In this chart, you can review the overview of our investment journey. I'm delighted to see we established a sturdy profit cushion for our portfolio. This provides me with peace of mind in case any significant correction occurs in the future. So this is a quick recap of last week. If my video makes you feel more confident about starting your investment journey, come join me please. Trust me, if I can do it, you can do it better. That's it, catch you next week.